This is Mark Brand with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 1459. It's like new condition with under 2,000 miles. The chassis is a 22 Ram 5500 with a 108-inch wheelbase. It's four-wheel drive with a Cummins 6.7 liter diesel engine. The overall length of this unit is 25 feet 8.5 inches. Overall height is 108 inches in the kneel position. Headroom is 72 inches. It's a Medtec box. It has new paint and graphics, new gaskets on all doors, new Willen sirens and speakers, new Willen LED lighting, trip-lock inverter charger, a new Pro Air HVA system with a hose light front mount auxiliary condenser. It also has a new 110 volt shore power AC for in the garage cooling. Body configuration consists of front left compartment, front forward compartment with inverter and 110 AC, wheel well drawer, left rear compartment with adjustable shelf, new rear bumper with fold-up step, rear entry, has 32-inch load height when in a dump condition and 36 without the dump. LSA seat with forward and aft action areas. LS in and out cabinets. PDQ department, glove box. Rear right compartment. Small rear compartment. Curbside door. If you have any questions or want more information on truck 1459, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.